Got a little armadillo on the trail we've been hiking.
Yeah, that is so cute.
He's not too afraid of us. Ari scared him back in the hole a while ago. He was out.
That is so neat. How many? Looks like he's a female one.
How do you know?
Just looking at it.
Yeah.
Looks like it's a young one based on the ring.
Yeah, it looks pretty young, doesn't it?
He's just trying to find a food. Aww. I've never seen them walk like this. Look at little piggy. It's chasing food.
Just digging for it, trying to find bugs, I guess, huh?
Yeah, that is so cute.
It's pretty tame, letting us walk around even. Don't get too close fast, buddy. He'll run away. Definitely looks like a juvenile, huh?
Yeah. He's still playful. Very cute. Look at this. So we get to see from all our traveling, we have seen a baby bear.
Baby bear, yep. That looked like a big brown bear is what it was.
Cannot get it, huh?
Why? Why?
He's going home now. We should try to find some food.
Yeah?
Hey there, buddy.
Right there.
Very friendly.
You tasty, Mari.
Mention of one.
That's my new friend,
Which one?
Drago. Drago the dragonfly. He's just hanging with me,
Don't make
so I walk no matter where I go. He's just been hanging with me. So I'm walking a little funny right now, so I don't squish him somehow. Okay, Drago, you can keep walking. You can hang as long as you want. Where'd he go? There he is.
there. Want me to hold it for you?
I'm good. See if I can get a close up. Look at Drago. You like Drago, Ari? Don't blow on him.
Pretty nice.
Okay.